A highway used for evening commuters experiences peak hour traffic of 3,500 passengers, equivalent vehicle per hour between 5 and 6 p.m. The traffic during the 15-minute segments is from 5 to 5:15, 650 vehicles. From 5:15 to 5:30, 920 vehicles. From 5:30 to 5:45, 1,140 vehicles, and then from 5:45 to 6, 790. So mostly, what is the peak hour factor? So ang peak hour factor, may formula yan. Okay, so if I remember the formula na nasa mga libro, no, that is just the total volume or total hourly volume over the maximum volume multiplied by 60 over T. Etong T na to, or sa ibang libro pala, 60 over N ang gamit nila. 60 over N. Etong N na to, N nga ba ang gamit nila? Pero anyway, define ko na lang. Yung N na yan is yung interval of recording. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung interval, ito, in this case, ano to, sa problem natin, every 15 minutes. So, in minutes to ha, in minutes. Okay? Ayan. Tapos yung total hourly volume, edi i-add mo lang to lahat. Okay? So, lumalabas ganito yan. That is 650 plus 920 plus 1140 plus na 790. Or actually, sinabi niya na eh. Ayun, 35. 35 yun, no? Pag in-add mo yan. Over. So, yung maximum volume, hahanapin mo lang ano yung maximum volume. Hindi ba ito? O di 1140 times 60 over 15. And that's gonna give you your peak hour factor. So 650 plus 920 plus 1140 plus 790 over 1140 times 60 over 15. So that gives us 0.767 or 0.77. Okay? Pero before anything else, no, yung formulang to, kailangan lang kasi ano eh, kaya madali ko siyang naalala kahit na hindi ko naman siya laging ginagamit, no. Ang pagkakaintindi natin dito sa peak hour factor, yan ay ratio lang nung actual na hourly volume sa maximum hourly volume. Ito ay maximum hourly volume. So, ibig sabihin, kaya ito maximum, no? Kung titingnan mo itong 60 over N, parang ang ginawa lang dyan ay binilang mo kung ilan ba yung records mo, ilan ba yung recording mo. Di ba ang recording natin apat? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So, itong 60 over N represents kung ilan yung mga recordings mo or ilan yung counts mo, ilan yung segment na binilang mo. Okay? Tapos minultiply niya ng max volume. So, ganito yan. Itong buong to represents yung parang maximum volume or should I say the total hourly volume if every segment, no, if every segment is the maximum volume. What I mean is this. Itong denominator representing na doon sa 5 to 515, inassume na 1140, yung maximum. Doon sa 515 to 530, maximum ulit. Ito, maximum naman talaga. Tapos doon sa 540 to 540, maximum pa rin yan. So parang ang ginawa lang dyan, ni-ratio yung actual na bilang dun sa hypothetical na bilang na kung saan maximum lahat yung buong segment. Yung buong oras na yun, puro maximum yung bilang mo. Kaya ito yun. No, kumbaga, maximum volume times 4. Ito yung times 4 na yun. Okay? Yan yung ibig sabihin ng peak hour factor. Okay? Kaya kumbaga, magandang intuition 'yon para kung sakali lang na makalimutan mo yung formula, alam mo kung paano aalalahanin during the exam. Okay? Basta total divided by yung total hourly considering na lahat ng segment maximum. Okay? So anyway, that's how we solve this particular problem.